Hi everyone, this is Avika Gaur and today with Pink Villa I am getting ready for a date night. I'm going to start with some eye cream because I have these beautiful eye bags which for some reason are very less today but otherwise बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, and all thanks to my father. It's because of the genes that I have. And it's so lame because I've met so many of dermats and people and to figure क्या करना चाहिए because जब मैं smile करती हूँ तब वो बिल्कुल नहीं दिखते, but when I'm not smiling एक evidence shadow create हो जाता है, and for that all my doctors have told me either go for fillers or something to do with skin tightening and all of that, and I don't think I need any of that. So yeah, so eye cream it is. So this is how I do it. Maybe it is wrong, but forgive me. And that's it. We don't need a lot of product ever. और मेरी स्किन वैसे भी सारे ही प्रोडक्ट बहुत जल्दी सोक इन कर लेती है, तो ऐसा फीलिंग आती है कि और लगाना चाहिए. It might end up looking good, but I don't do it. So that is it. अब हम इसको थोड़ा soak in होने देंगे, and then we have a lip blur, and I swear by this because I have a lot of lines and मेरी skin बहुत dry है, so I end up having a lot of cracks, and this has been a lifesaver, and I suggest कि सब use करो because this lip blur is almost like it just makes your lip look extremely even, and this is beautiful. It does not taste anything, which I like. I like those strawberry flavors and all of those things, but this works for me the best. So this lip blur is also a must. Yeah, अभी नहीं पता चलेगा, but I think when I apply the lipstick तब पता चलेगा. So that is it. Very easy. अब मेरा बस चले तो मैं date night पे ऐसे ही चली जाऊँ. So anyway, I'll start with the foundation. And I always use this palette because I do not like the idea of having anything at all on my hands or fingers, or मेरे को बड़ा चिप चिप लगता है. And that is one of the biggest reasons I never go for facials. I cannot take that chip chip. For some reason, I'm just very weird that way. I'm just going to mix like 2 shades that work wonders for me. And both of these foundation that I used right now are extremely smooth and a little, I wouldn't say oily, that is not the right word, but it definitely has like a serum feel to it, which makes my extremely dry skin a little normal. And I always start with my forehead because I'm not sure if people see that flaw, but I do. I have like a little shadow that comes in here because of the bone structure being a certain way, and I'm being extremely critical. It is not a problem, but I see it as a problem. So I always start there because then I know कि कैसे shade पूरा face का match करना है, and that is how I do it. And of course, people already know that I've always had a unibrow, and for that, to take care of that, वहाँ पे भी हम specific foundation tap करेंगे. And don't worry, I'm not going to just leave it like that. I know what I'm doing, trust me. And a little bit on the cheeks because I do not do a lot of it anyway. So I think this is it. This is all the foundation that I'm going to use today. And I feel nice about it because come makeup, like I said, is always good. And I am just going to blend it completely. And yeah, a fun fact, I never use sponge or puffs or any of that because I feel कि उसमें product बहुत ज़्यादा waste होता है, and I cannot I don't like that idea. And also मुझे, like I said, चिप चिप नहीं पसंद, so sponge के through अगर fingers पे कुछ आ गया तो I would hate myself. So that is another reason, and that is it. Foundation is going to be just that much. A lot of you will hate it कि मैं थोड़ी तो effort डाल सकती थी, but यही है जो है. This is how I do it. Now comes the concealer. This is mainly for my under eyes. आपने देखा होगा that I did not put any foundation here because I'm supposed to do this. और ये मैं अभी नया नया सीखी हूँ बाय द वे. And also again, we don't need too much of it, just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. That's it. और मैंने ऐसा किसी वीडियो में देखा था that if we let it stay for like few seconds, तो coverage अच्छा देता है and all. I don't know कितना true है, but so this is it. Our base is almost done. I think it is done. I'm not doing anything more. And for the eyes, I'll share something very interesting. ये मैंने अभी नया since I think 1.5 week try किया है and it is working for me. There's something called face yoga and I was really not aware of something like that. So of course मैंने videos बहुत देखे हैं Instagram पे. We keep seeing those reels and how it's working for people and how they show the before after and all of that. But I only started to do it अभी 1.5 week पहले. And I think मैंने yoga overall करना ही शुरू किया है अभी recently. And I think the credit goes to Diljit Dosanjh because I saw one of his podcasts and he mentioned how important yoga is in his life. और मैं बहुत easily influence हो चुकी हूँ and yeah, so I do face yoga and all now, which is fancy, but I'm doing it. So like I said, I have extremely dry skin, so I do not like the idea of too much powder because at the end of the day it starts to make my face look very cakey. So I avoid it. तो मैं जो मेरा compact है वो बहुत ही थोड़ा सा छोटे से brush पे just a little bit करने वाली हूँ, just to avoid the shine that I have on my face. And head of course being my issue. That's what I am going to do. That's it. No more powder because it's not needed. I'll directly go for the eyeshadow and the dress that I'm wearing is black and it's a nice bodycon dress. So with that I thought कि हम थोड़ा सा कुछ not glitter but a little shine add करें because the jewelry is rose gold and diamonds and all of that. So I thought कि सिर्फ थोड़ा shine is going to be enough. So I have this very shimmery rose gold eyeshadow and I just take a little bit again. मेरा मेकअप बहुत हर चीज़ में little bit होता है. And that is it. Simple. We हम करेंगे थोड़ा eyeliner and all. I'll satisfy you a little, but this is it with the eyeshadow. Here comes the eyeliner and this is going to be the most difficult part because कभी मैच नहीं होता यार. एक तो आंखें अलग है दोनों मेरी. I feel that this eye is a little open from here and this one is a little closed. I see it because maybe I see my face a lot, but match नहीं हो पाता. But yeah, help. Let's do this. Again, बहुत कम करने वाले हम, but let's do it. कुछ तो हुआ. Not bad, but I think I can like go a little bit under. I think that will look better. I am just trying कि एक आँख में थोड़ा sort हो जाए. Then I'll go with the next one. I like it. I like it. Not bad. Match करना पड़ेगा. Let's do this. I don't have any technique. यहाँ पे मैंने बाहर से शुरू किया था, अब मैं अंदर से कर रही हूँ. So just going with the flow. हो जाएगा. Not to worry. No, I'm just saying this to myself because it is kind of not easy. Now I like this better, and they're so different. My God. This is why I need yoga in my life. So much stress. I like it. One second. I think I've fixed it. I like it. Okay, 1 second. I know what I did. Not bad. I think it's done. चलेगा ना? I think so. Yeah. इससे ज़्यादा कौन मेहनत करे डेट नाइट के लिए? Anyway, I just brush it off. And all my makeup artists that I've worked with till now have really nice compliments about my eyebrows because they're almost filled, and also about my eyelash. When I put up the mascara, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to fill them up. I am not changing the shape like you can see. I like the shape the way it is. And I do go back and forth. I don't go in the same direction. I'll show you why. ऐसा करके उसको मैसअप कर देने का और फिर ऐसा करके उसको ठीक कर देने का. See? It works. So here comes the mascara. And I found this brush very interesting because it is wide on the beginning and towards the end, and that for some reason is very comfortable to use. And now you will know why मेरे makeup artists को मेरी eyelash बहुत पसंद आती है. And I've not really worn the stick-on eyelashes, if that's what it's called. और मैंने I have a very cute incident to share with you guys. मैं एक बार eyelash extensions कराने गई थी. I was in Dubai and I told my team that I want to go, I want to try, because Dubai, I've heard it's like super good quality and the way they do it is pretty amazing, and I want to do it, I want to try. And I went, and I remember lying down on the chair and they were checking my eye and all of that, and that lady told me that where do I place the lash, there is no space. And I think that was the best compliment I've ever received about my eyelash, and I feel so proud क्योंकि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है उनका ध्यान रखने के लिए. And see the difference, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Mascara can really be, I think a lot of people who know me know that जब भी मैं घर से बाहर निकलती हूँ, sunscreen, a nice lip balm and mascara. I swear by these three things, and इससे आप set हो. You don't need anything else, because I really believe that ये तीनों चीज़ें अगर आप अच्छे से लगाओ, your skin will be taken care of and it's not really very harmful, so it's okay. And on the other side, and I like to push my eye a little towards the back and do it because it just separates the hair. और वो you know जो चिपक जाते हैं एक दूसरे से, I don't think that happens if I do this, so I do it this way. And I love mascara. You know, I can, मैं पूरा एपिसोड मस्कारा के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ. And I think we're done. We're done with mascara. अब मुझे यहाँ ज़्यादा लग रहा है, इधर कम लग रहा है, so I'll anyway. हो गया बस. This is the cream blush that I usually use, but for today this will not work because it's too bright and too dark. If you can see, I'm using something a little peachy, if that's again a word, but this is the one I'm using today, which is much lighter than what I usually use. And bas, I will let it stay for you guys to take screenshots and make memes. Please go ahead. I love all of that. Then I have a stick for contouring. Again, I use everything that is cream based, as you can see, because of my dry skin or cakiness छुपाने के लिए. So this is where I do it, and that's going to be a little for the nose. A lot of my films, if you watch, I do not contour my nose because my makeup artists don't let me. They say नहीं ठीक ही तो है, क्यों करना है? But I do it when I do it. I like it. Then a little on my head. A lot of people have not agreed with me, but I think I have a big forehead, and that's why I do it on this line. I'll show you the difference it makes. Then of course at the job we all like sharp jawlines, and we work very hard for the sharp jawlines. We work very hard for the sharp jawlines. But yeah, this does the trick. I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया. Let's see. And I will blend it with a brush like this. I know a lot of you will not agree. A lot of you will want something that is better for something creamy, but मेरे को ये easy लगता है और मेरे को ये बहुत convenient लगता है, so I'm going to use this. And I'll start with the nose, because एक बार nose set हो गया, then you guys will not be able to make memes. Yeah, that is it. And a little bit on the cheeks first before I go for the, oh shit, I have mascara. No, I'm not going to use any spoolie. I'm not going to use all those fancy tricks. मैं ऐसा nail से ऐसा कर लेती हूँ, हो जाता है. हो गया. Anyway, so I know a lot of you will think कि क्यों बना रही है मेकअप के लिए वीडियो जब उसको पसंद नहीं है, but I think I like it. I just try to find more convenient ways to do it and easier ways to do it because patience नहीं है इतनी देर बैठने का. And I think that is why I do it the way I do it. And I also like the idea of having fun with it. And it is okay to not do it everything the way it is supposed to be done. So yeah, that is my. And yes, मैंने बस उसको spread किया. I have not gone into the lines and making it perfect. नहीं होता है मेरे से. This is it. This is how I do it. This is it. I'll just blend this forehead के लिए. And I think, yeah, the main task of making your jawline look really like sharp. You must see it in all my movies कि जब मैं dialogues बोलती हूँ कोई jawline नहीं दिखती है मेरी because I'm just having those movements, and of course not every camera angle would, you know, make it look flawless. But when it comes to pictures, a lot of my pictures, a lot of my red carpets, a lot of my photo shoot or posters of films, everything will have a very sharp jawline because I really like pose in a certain way and not talk to make it look a certain way. So I think this is it. We are done with the contouring and the blush, and I think the only thing left right now is the lips. Anyway, I will start with this lip liners that I use, and it's a very interesting process. You have to watch this. So this is this brown lip liner that kinda little overline and then a little overline here. I'll show you what it does. And now comes the other lip liner, which is not as dark as the other one, but a little pink or peachish. This goes as a normal lip liner. I'm not trying to overline anything, not to make my lips look bigger or anything, but the right shape. I like making it look in proper shape. I don't like my lips being bigger. And ये हुआ lip liner, and I've done this brown thing to create like a cute shadow there, and you'll see this after the gloss. It looks I'm using this lipstick for over 11 years. I keep buying the same shade, same brand again and again, and it is my favorite. It is so beautiful, and you guys can like figure it out. कौन सा है मैं नहीं बताने वाली. Just see the shade. Oh my god, I love it. That is the lipstick, and then I have like options for gloss. One is which goes very well with this, and one is the transparent one, and that duvida of not knowing what to do. I don't know. I think if I apply the transparent one, इस पे मेरी lipstick लग जाएगी, and I don't want that. So I think I'll go with the Givenchy. I'll go with this one. This is a similar shade, and it just, gloss always looks nice, always. So I think we're done with makeup. I just need to quickly go change, wear the jewelry, and use my favorite perfume, and I think we are sorted. So here is my final look, and a little bit about this look, the details. I think the footwear, it's too shiny. It's not my personality, but sometimes I like doing something out of the box and little outside my comfort zone, because I hate wearing heels, and I'm wearing heels and I love it. So I like such painful situations in my life. So here you go about my footwear. And when I talk about my jewelry, it is a little special because everything that I am wearing is either gifted to me by my boyfriend, जिसके साथ मैं date night पे जा रही हूँ, या तो मैंने खुद खरीदा है अपने लिए. So it's like a combination of everything, and even the entire look actually is a combination of everything, and that's how the date nights are supposed to be. And I think we're done. The last step, the most important step, I have to smell good. Okay, bye.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.